Hello, my name is Gen Z and I'm a music artist but also a DIYer and a huge procrastinator.
Oh, well, I'm definitely not going to be able to get 8 hours of sleep.
And in this video, I'm going to be playing a show and I'm showing you guys how I usually prepare for said show, including rehearsals, last minute scrambling to make my own outfit for the show, getting ready, and also some behind the scenes of what it's like to be an artist backstage at a festival. So get ready for some chaos.
Hello guys! Guess where I am? I'm in the infamous condo. It's infamous to me. Anyway, I'm back in Vancouver with a purpose. See, oh my god, I do have different hair. If you didn't know what happened, you missed a chapter. Go back and watch one of my latest videos. But yes, hello from my new hair. Anyway, I just want to jump in here and say that I'm actually playing a show this Saturday in Seattle for CID Block Party. All the details are right here. So if you want to come vibe, you should come vibe. It's gonna be such a good time. I'm making my own outfit, all the kind of stuff. See you all there. Anyway, let's continue with the video. I was living in New York and Toronto for the past 3 months, and I was actually gonna stay longer. I wanted to stay for like 4th of July, experience my first like hoo America type of day. But then an opportunity came up here in Vancouver where basically I am performing at a Canada Day Festival in Vancouver, or like Greater Vancouver, and I was like, 4th of July or Canada Day? And I thought I should be patriotic to my own country. I also thought it would be a good opportunity for my career because I'm trying to do more live performances this year and like get more experience because it's just so fun, like playing in front of an audience, like bopping around with you guys. It's so fun. Not gonna lie, I am kind of nervous because this is going to be the biggest audience that I've performed in front of. It's gonna be like thousands of people at the festival, and actually this is the first time that I've ever been on like a festival lineup poster, which is pretty cool. There's me, Gen Z. It is going to be like a different crowd than usual because it's probably mostly like family style. It's like a family event, so I also have to censor my lyrics. Like I have to change lyrics from How to Love to something a little more family friendly, if you get what I mean. So in this video, I'm going to be preparing for the show. I'm gonna be doing rehearsals, making my outfit. Yeah, the performance is in 2 days. I have to do a little glow up, I have to get healthy, eat good, sleep good, drink good. Hopefully I see some of you guys there, and let's get started with the preparations.
First on the to-do list was rehearsal. I lucked out with the show and got to play with the coolest and most talented musicians. We got Miles on the drums, we got Adrian on the guitar, and we got Ethan on bass, who is actually my sister's husband. So, this is a family function. Rehearsal was super fun, just jamming out. So here's some clips.
Let's go, girls. I feel like a woman. Hello everybody. My performance is tomorrow. And I have not figured out what I want to wear yet, which is obviously an issue, but it's classic, you know, me fashion to leave it to such the last minute. To be fair though, I just got back from New York like 2 days ago, and I had a bunch of stuff to finish up. I had rehearsals, videos due, but now I'm finally getting to making my outfit. So I have my pants here. I actually already DIY'd these from this like beige pair of cargo pants for my Someone I Never Had music video with, you know, the full red monochrome outfit. So it's already been DIY'd once, but I thought that I would like wear it more often, but I honestly never wear it. So I figured I would put it to use and turn it into my Canada Day outfits because it's red, obvi. All right, here's the plan. I want to do star cutouts on the knees, but they're not just like gonna be holes. I want the inside star to still be attached. So I'm gonna do it. I feel like it shouldn't be too hard, and then I'll throw it into the dryer to like distress later. Hopefully it works out. I'm sweating so bad right now.
First, I marked where the knees hit so that I could make sure the star was around that area, and then I sketched out the star on each pant leg. Then it was time to cut, and it was also time for me to have a super brainless moment.
Oh fuck.
I literally stopped dead in my tracks when I realized I fucked up. Basically, I needed to keep a little sliver of fabric attaching the inner star cutout to the rest of the pants. But when I realized my mistake, I redrew the new outline to make sure that I wouldn't mess up again, and then I recut it out with the little sliver of fabric attached.
Guys, we've run into an issue. I just tried it on to see how it looks, and it literally ripped so easily. I still have to put it into the dryer, so I feel like it's gonna turn into crumbly pieces. And also you can't see the star like at all. So this is obviously an issue because it's supposed to look like a star. But I'm already too deep into it. I'm just gonna complete the other leg and just hope for the best.
After I finished cutting out the stars, I threw the pants into the dryer to distress and immediately took them back out because I realized I've never put them in the dryer before, and I absolutely could not risk the pants shrinking into mini pants the day of the show. And also the dryer was going to take way too long, and I was in desperate need of some sleep because it was like 3 a.m. So instead, I took the painstakingly long old-fashioned route by distressing with tweezers. So I tweezed and wheezed and tweezed some more until...
No. Guys, it literally looks so bad. Okay, I'm gonna try something. I have a bunch of safety pins, and I'm gonna try pinning the edges together so that the shape holds when I move around. I'm not too hopeful though, I'm gonna be honest with you. This is the final result, or as final as it's gonna get. It's still not like ideal. I think it's as good as it's gonna get. I really need to sleep right now because, well, I'm definitely not gonna be able to get 8 hours of sleep. But what do you guys think? I had to improvise with the safety pins. I feel like it gives it a cool like steampunk vibe. And I'm currently texting with Amanda right now, who is being my stylist. I always run through my concert DIY wardrobe with her because she's got the fashion knowledge. So we're brainstorming like jewelry ideas and like hair ideas. And she told me I should wear like chunky silver jewelry to match with the safety pins, which I think is a cute idea. And then also hair idea. That's cute with the low space buns, but I'm just scared it'll fall out if I like bop around too much. I'll see if I even have time in the morning. Maybe something with braids, something with ribbons. But anyway, I'm glad I could finally finish this. I'm gonna go get some sleep actually back home because it's closer to the venue tomorrow. Yeah! Oh, no. I woke up today with a sore throat. This is not good for me. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready. So we have to leave in 30 minutes. Well, I'm gonna do my hair and then I'm gonna do my makeup in the car on the way there because I could not bring myself to wake up any earlier. I only slept 5 hours. I wonder if that's the reason why my throat is sore. I actually might need to do both my makeup and hair in the car. But I think I'm gonna have a lot of time there to do it because we're arriving like 2 hours early. So hopefully that's the case.
Well, they can also always drop you off. Like, we can just get off first.
And as we were pulling up to the festival, I saw the festival schedule, and there's me, Gen Z! This was such a surreal and cool moment because I've never seen my own name on like a festival poster before in real life, so it just felt like so surreal and like my dreams are finally coming true! Anyway, sappy moment over. Let's talk about the parking situation.
This is 64. Wait, then go on 64.
No, this is 64.
Oh, this is 64? Oh.
Yeah, we're on.
Turn around.
Okay, but turn around.
No,
But this is
simple
for
one
the
now.
other people. Can you roll down your window? Hi. We're trying to get backstage.
Oh, I have no
It took us like
idea.
half an hour to find the parking space. We were just like arguing back and forth in the car and like asking random people on the street, but eventually we found it.
We have arrived at the festival. Parking was insane to find, but we're behind everything right now. It's so bright. Whoa. I put on these chain earrings to match the vibe. I'm gonna do my hair super last minute. Let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. Oh, hi! Oh wait, oh my god, are we doing the same hair? Actually, how did you do yours?
I braided it like this side and then I twisted it.
Okay, I feel like mine are too high. I was gonna do little like strands for braids in the front. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay. Let me give you a little tour of the backstage area. Look, this is my name on the tent. This is my little green room. This is a little backstage area. Dad, mom, and then here is a little snack tent. Got some blood sugar stuff. I'm really worried about my hair falling out, but we'll figure it out. This is the final look. It's as good as it's gonna get, I think. I'm going on in like 30 minutes. Kinda shitting myself, to be honest.
Woo! Gen Z's #1 fan!
I'm scared.
You did great!
I don't know if I can bob without my hair.
If it goes out, just
Yeah,
pretend
rip it.
it's like, and then you could take all of it out.
Yeah,
and be
true.
like,
True. I'll improvise.
"Clean up, go for it."
Shoot, is it time? We are currently heading to sound check. I want a golf cart.
Where's my golf cart? It's right there.
Are you talking about my stage?
Should I not have my phone?
Yes. Why do I feel like it's your wedding day? Look at the band. Woo, Ethan, say hi. All right, here we go. Look at the crowd.
And the crowd.
The crowd goes. The crowd goes. Look at the pants. Zoom in on the pants.
I'm gonna forget my set
How are you
list.
gonna introduce yourself? Hi,
What's up, everybody? My name is Gen Z. How's everybody doing today?
The traditional territories of the Pics, Quantum, and Senior. Great support, I can touch there. But also there's so many different organizations that support this. Our next performer, she's actually really interesting. She's a YouTuber, DIY, she's a creator of YouTube.
Running through my head, the things I want to say. Oh. You know the way I feel. Man, I feel like a woman.
The show was so much fun to play. Thank you to everyone who came out to watch. I always appreciate every single one of you guys who comes to any show. It's just so, I can't even put into words like how grateful I am.
Good job. So cute.
But to be honest, whenever I play a show, I kind of black out what happened, so I have to like watch the footage to like remember and like retrain my mind. But this was such a fun show.
Excited?
I feel like so.
And we ended up staying at the festival and going on rides and eating and vibing and getting heat stroke. You know, classic summer activities.
Hello guys, we are now exiting the festival. I'm so sweaty. I feel like I have heat stroke.
Show them my sunburn.
Okay, it's giving Canada Day. I was also starting to burn and then I took Ricky's sunscreen. Bro, I'm gonna have the craziest tan line. I was right there. So right now we're going to dinner, but we're trying to catch some fireworks later today. Hopefully, potentially. I need a nap or a bread bowl. Oh my god, I'm so dead. So tired. Also, I got sunburnt, so that's also another issue, but anyway, that is the journey of my performance for Canada Day. Do you want to allow me? Whoa.
Oh, you're kind of red too.
Yeah, I'm like kind of burnt. Oh, hey, Lando. Oh, yeah, I'm about to be hit with the craziest tan lines. But yeah, it's my first time playing with a full band, and I definitely want to keep playing with the like drummer and guitarist and bassist. I feel like the vibes are so much better, get the energy up. But next time I do want to play like a festival with like people who listen to my music, because it is a different vibe. Like the concerts that I've done in the past where you guys have come out is like so fun because you guys know the lyrics and that kind of thing. So tired though. We went on a bunch of rides, or like, yeah, we were standing out in the sun for like a couple hours and got a little roasted and toasted.
Show them your tan line. Well, you can see like where it turns red here.
Oh
Yeah.
Juicy.
Roasted and toasted.
Oh,
Feel nice?
it's good.
Cool.
It's cool. But yeah, playing live is so fun. It does inspire me to get into the mindset of making more music. It just takes so long and it is so expensive, which a lot of people don't know, and I didn't know before I actually started doing it. But more music in the vault. Well, that's going to be in the vault. I'm currently creating the vault. I just want to thank you guys so much. To anyone who's ever streamed my music or come out to a show before or done anything to help support Gen Z, I so appreciate you. And without you guys, I would not be able to have these amazing, cool opportunities to perform live and just like do music related things. I am performing at another festival this summer, and I'm also really excited for that. I do feel that I'm like steadily improving, which is such an amazing feeling, because the first time I performed I was like shitting myself. I think I did well enough for my first time performing, but I was like, I didn't think that was good. The next time I also was like, that wasn't really good. The third time, which was my show in New York, I think that actually was my worst performance ever, but this one I think was my best one, and it was the most fun I had. I think I need to be more relaxed and like have more fun, and then it'll just come out better. But I am surprised though, because my throat is still really sore and my nasal issues are going off today. I literally was blowing my nose right before I bopped on stage, but we're here. I took a Tylenol, it's lit. But yeah, I'm very proud of myself, and I don't say that often, but I do feel that right now. Oh my god, another thing, my pants actually ripped on stage and I had to improvise. The safety pins were like popping off, but you know, the show must go on. Anyway, thank you so much. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
How do I love this for